Hi everyone, Sandro here with Paintless Dent Repair Hawaii. I have another short video for you guys with a before and after. So here I have a Nissan Pathfinder 2016. Very nice car, very clean. So I'm here at a Nissan dealership doing this work for them. And as you can see here on the trunk, the hatch of the car, it's a pretty bad dent. I'd say it's about, 10 inches long maybe. And right next to the crease, actually it goes over the crease, over the body line, and it shouldn't be much of an issue. It's despite it being somewhat of a deep, sharp dent, but I'm pretty confident it'll look pretty good. And without the light, you can't see it as well, but you can see the distortions there, and I'll come back once I'm done to show you how it looks. So yeah, so stick around, and in just a second it'll be ready. So here we are. This is the end result, and that's the area right there where the dent was. As you can see, there's not much left of it. So yeah, it's a pretty good result. It wasn't an easy dent to attack. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, thank you for watching. Take care.